Have you ever wanted to put a video inside your text but got completely overwhelmed by complex masking tools, background removers, or expensive editing software? What if I told you there's a secret workaround right inside Canva that lets you do this in literally 2 minutes with zero masking required? Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you a mind-blowing Canva hack that uses one specific font to create an instant video masking effect. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Canva and create a new design. I'm going with a standard square Instagram post for this one. Now, hit the Text tab in the left menu and click Add a Heading. Let's type something bold. I'm going to type Golden Hour Day in all caps. Now here is where the absolute magic happens. Go up to your font drop-down menu. We aren't looking for just any font today. Type in Box and hit Enter, then select the last one. Notice what happened? Black box is essentially a stencil font. It automatically gives every letter a solid black background while keeping the actual letter completely transparent. This is the secret sauce for our trick. Right now, the text looks a bit disconnected. We need to turn this into one massive black wall. Go up to the Advanced Settings tool at the top toolbar and drag your line spacing down until the black boxes of your top and bottom words touch and overlap slightly. Perfect. But wait, the left and right edges are jagged. Here's the pro tip. Click inside your text box right before your first letter and just hit your spacebar a few times. Do the exact same thing at the end of the word. Because of how the black box font works, hitting space just adds more solid black blocks. Add spaces to the left and right of your words until you have a nice, wide rectangular block of black. We've got our text mask, but we still have a bunch of empty white space around the edges of our canvas. To fix this, head over to your Elements tab and grab a standard square shape. Make sure the color is set to absolute black, matching our font exactly. Now, just drag that square to fill the empty white space at the top. Duplicate it, and do the same for the bottom, the left, and the right edges. You are essentially building a black frame around your text block until the entire canvas is pitch black, except for your transparent letters. Our custom mask is completely built. Now for the fun part. Go back to your Elements tab, search for whatever vibe you're going for. I'll search for Golden Hour, and filter by videos. Pick a really dynamic, cool-looking video and click to drop it onto your canvas. Resize the video so it completely covers all of your text. Don't panic that your text just disappeared. Simply right-click the video, go down to Layer, and click Send to Back. Boom! Because our letters are transparent, the video plays perfectly through the text, and the black frame we built hides the rest. How incredibly easy was that? No fancy masking required. To save it, just hit Share in the top right, select Download, make sure your format is set to an MP4 video, and hit Download. You can use this for YouTube intros, Instagram Reels, or B-roll to instantly grab attention. If this Canva trick blew your mind, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what software trick you want me to teach you next. See you in the next one.